by making love.
Okay, so ayan, good afternoon everyone. We are here to witness the 7th birthday of Kaylin.
Gaya ng gift na binigay ng ating mahal na Panginoon, it was given because of love. Alam po natin yan. Ano po? For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son. And with Him, we knew that the birth celebrant, which happened to have the diversities of living, but and yet it happened to have good thoughts, to have celebrations with her 7th birthday. Tama po. And within life happened to be given with her because of love. In order for us to deal with this, we must have to obey the rule of life, which was given by our God. And
at higit sa lahat, dapat God-fearing ka. At kapag nabot mo na yung pangarap mo sa buhay, it's payback time, no? Tumulong ka rin sa mga pinsan mo, sa mga kapatid mo na magpaaral. Kasi yung pagtulong sa pag-aaral, yan ang magpapangat sa buhay ng pamilya. Yung edukasyon ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. Di ba, Kilin? Okay. So, happy birthday ako. Happy 7th birthday.
Smile! Okay, Kaylin, look at the camera over there. Together by Chiana. Okay, so next we have Chanel Kaylin Pandera.